Arthur, there's nothing funny.
Who turned off the coffee maker?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh.
Mike's not very smart.
I have one for you. This is good.
Mike, tell me what you're drinking.
So this is a English coffee.
English coffee, great.
Yeah.
So what's in it?
Jody, what's your drink?
Tea, sweet cream, and Bailey's.
So sweet cream, does that have caffeine in it?
No.
Okay. Bailey's. All right. Tea. Does the tea have caffeine in it?
That's not mine, so I'm not sure.
But I'm pretty
If
sure
it's
there's no caffeine in
If
that.
it's black tea, yes, but it's...
Who brought this tea?
There's no caffeine in this. So you're wondering why you are not waking up, but you are drinking a non-caffeinated tea with a creamer, and you aren't waking up. That right there, my friends, is stupidity.
Can we change the subject? Yesterday, Mr. Andre said, there's something wrong with the ice maker. It is not making ice.
What was it making?
Nothing.
Oh, Jesus, I needed water.
And then we said, oh, well, it needs water. And Andre says, wait, it takes water? It was a long day, okay?
So, see what happened was.
Waking up.
I feel like you guys are prepping for something big.
We got the face paint on the way. War room, baby. War room.
So the war room is actually the conference room, but we hunker down, we bring snacks, our laptops, phones, and we make as many calls as possible and try and get as many contracts as possible. It's pretty effective because we bounce off of each other and we hear each other's calls, so we're able to suggest things and work together in getting deals done.
So it's not even 8:30, it's 8:22. Scott just got in the office. He's going to get his coffee right now. You know, he likes to have 10, 15 minutes to relax, but we're not going to let that happen. Got a contract yesterday, so we're going to bug him already. I know you like to relax in the morning. We're not going to let that happen.
Dylan, I'm making my coffee. Could you get out of here?
Well, I'm making you money, so.
Damn! I do like money.
Money, money, money.
One of the parts of my job is to kind of be a bug. I know Scott's a very busy man, but we have a business to run, we have money to make, we need contracts signed and submitted over to escrow. So unfortunately, Scott can sometimes be getting his coffee or he's talking to Mike or, you know, doing whatever Scott does, but it's my job to go up to him and be like, hey man, you know, money on the table, I need you to sign this real quick, and he'll just look at me, but he loves me. So, but we got a business to run, money to make, we got a machine that's got to be well oiled, so it's my job to be the bug.
Look at this. Look at all this. You see all this? When we get contracts, wow, everybody smiles. Look at this.
Yeah. So Aaron says to me, oh, well, I'm getting a contract on Saturday. I said, oh, well, Nick, isn't that great? Aaron just doesn't even need to work till Saturday. Aaron, you know what, man?
The whole week.
You don't even need to come in for the meeting. Like, don't come in for the meeting tomorrow. We're going to let Mike know that you're getting a contract on Saturday, so you don't even need to bother coming to work. So, but maybe he went the extra mile because he has actually been here until, hey, Aaron?
He's not even here. Yes, he took today.
Oh, the is he?
Making money, baby.
Maybe it was Saturday's contract he got ahead of time. Overachieving.
Wait, does anybody have his location so we can slow clap him when he comes in?
Back, I called him. I thought he broke down on the freeway. I saw a guy look just like in the same car.
And you passed right by him and you didn't stop?
Yeah. That was a really hard day.
This thing's falling apart. This is one of those days.
Just one of those days.